What is Bruno doing in the picture? Name the vegetables you see in the shop. Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. Hey, a ball! Bruno kicked at a potato. It went under a box. Then he jumped onto a pumpkin. It started rolling. Hey, red balls! He climbed on the box of tomatoes. It fell down. Tomatoes scattered all over the floor. Hey, naughty dog! Get off from here! The vegetable seller shouted and raised a stick. Bruno ran off. What are the mischiefs done by your pet? Will Sachin and his father find Bruno? What will the vegetable seller tell Sachin and his father? Will he beat Bruno? The pup went away. I will kill him if it comes again. He messed up my shop, the vegetable seller shouted angrily. Look, father, he beat my Bruno. Sachin started crying. My dear, don't cry. We will get him back. Father patted him on his shoulder. It's getting late. Let us go home. Why was Sachin crying? Will he get his pup back?